This is what is left of the Ed Bush Stadium, ladies and gentlemen. The first stadium in the Cayman Islands. It is a place the churches have very fond memory of meeting in July. Superb event by the churches. Still in the district of West Bay, John Gray Memorial Church. These were destroyed in the yacht club, ladies and gentlemen. Some over there got hurt too. So the road has been blocked, so there's another road into the yacht club up here. It's a gated community, and there is some destruction across there from Ivan. This is still a brand new house under construction, has not been used as yet. It's the same house. Nice house, very nice house. Still in the club. Very good shape is this house, and this boat, a new house on the construction right here. I've been watching it in the mornings. Roof damage over here, ladies and gentlemen. Down trees in the yacht club on the West Bay Road. No way can I get in Jose. House under construction. Post office has been hit very badly. This is amazing. This is incredible. From this angle.
And they say restoration will be gradual.
Oh, incredible. It will be no roof?
No roof up there. My goodness, can't pick it up from here, but no roof is there. Look at the West Bay Road. I'm sure it's clear to clear it, you know. This is incredible.
Environmental health wants you to know they will be accepting only household waste and no vegetation.
Look at that. The new public beach. Ivan style. Tucked away Ivan style. Look at that. Oh, total devastation. Look at the cars. Devastation all around it.
It's a message for all Jamaican citizens. You are being asked to check with your and ask if you are either essential or non-essential staff. Provisions are being made to fly out non-essential staff in order to ease pressure on supplies. Stay tuned to Radio Cayman for all the latest info. Again, it's a message for all Jamaican citizens. You are being asked to check with your employer and ask if you are either essential or non-essential staff. Provisions are being made to fly out non-essential staff in order to ease pressure on food and supplies. Stay tuned to Radio Cayman for all the latest information.
Things have been stocked away Ivan style. This is the Avalon, the new Avalon, new look Avalon. Great house, but it didn't get too badly damaged. And of course, this is on the shore side, but on the sea side, I'm sure Ivan would have done its own work to rearrange those furniture inside. I'm pretty sure about that.
Particularly if you're listening and you're hearing this noise box.
This is just information on this side, but on the sea side, when that sea
keeping us
worse
cool
than the
here.
wind.
We're at the fire station. Of course, Radio Cayman studio being down
New
at
West
this
Bay
time.
Road, ladies and
So
gentlemen.
bear with us. All off-duty police officers are asked to report to Cable and Wireless at 6 p.m. tonight.
This is just incredible.
All off-duty police officers are asked to report to Cable and
No
Wireless.
lines, no lines, no for
6 p.m. tonight.
the lines all along the West Bay Road. All the light posts are gone.
I believe it's the Cable and Wireless.
This is just incredible. And of course, it's governor. What about the governor's house? The guy's house is okay, it's gone.
Well, there you go. Also,
Governor's house.
Sharon Bailey and Margaret Evans.
Right, here's Governor's
call
house.
Yvonne
So
Webb
it's
in
gone.
Trinidad as soon as possible. That's Sharon Bailey
Governor's
and
house.
Margaret Evans. Please call Yvonne Webb in Trinidad as soon as possible.
Wow. This is just incredible. Two, 3 floors up will be gone. Stockton, Gilbert, Ivan style. New look. Weston, new look. Not too badly over here. Just a little roof right there. They're doing pretty good.
The other side is down.
Right.
All
This
immigration
is the
staff.
new. Should be open by
Of course,
December.
who are
This
not
new.
involved in
How you call this
airport
place again? What's
duties,
the name of this place?
police operations,
The
or
Ritz-Carlton.
shelter duties. Should
What's gonna
report to
happen?
the immigration headquarters at 9 in the morning tomorrow,
Of course.
Wednesday the 15th. That's all immigration staff who are not involved in airport
Over the power
duties,
line,
police
been
operations,
too badly
or
here.
shelter duties should report
Yes.
to the immigration
Yes, the building
headquarters
inside will block
at
them in.
9 a.m. tomorrow, Wednesday the 15th.
Right here.
Right here. But of course, the other side, the seaside, a different.
Also, all water enforcement staff, we have to report to the main office, which is located
Just look at
on the
this.
Red Lake Road.
Take it
Once
out.
again, the Water Authority Cayman would like to inform all of its valued customers that meter readers will
If
be
they
out
couldn't
and
maybe
about
not yet,
checking
so
premises
they can get a
and
flight out of gone.
area for inspection.
That is
Again,
incredible. This is
area. Also, all Water Authority staff.
Gilbert was a boy to this one. Trust me.
Office located on the
Let's look at right here at
Texaco Caribbean
Coconut
staff,
Place.
contact Sarah Goring at 925
Gilbert was a boy, literal boy.
That's all Texaco Caribbean staff. Contact Sarah Goring at 925
Yes, they're getting newly built. Yeah, I guess they're newly built.
at the main terminal tomorrow, Wednesday,
Hold on.
at approximately 2
Strand.
in the afternoon.
Everything gone.
All
The
Texaco
water
Caribbean
is
staff,
gone.
contact Sarah Goring
My
at
goodness.
925
Yes,
1235.
this one was done from long time.
925
So just do it fast for
1235.
them.
Assemble at the main terminal tomorrow, Wednesday, at
You're
2
watching,
p.m.
Custom officers and
Ivan completing his job on the West Bay Road.
and warehouse workers, please report to work immediately. Calling all Red Cross volunteers to please come by the Red Cross.
And there are so many people in different shelters across the island. All homeless people. including ourselves.
Volunteers, please come by the Red Cross and help us.
All Civil Aviation Authority staff are being asked to report to work as soon as possible. This includes airline staff, restaurant staff, and all administration staff. Report to work as soon as possible. All Civil Aviation Authority staff, you are being asked to report to work as soon as possible. This includes airline staff, restaurant staff, and all administration staff. Report to work
over here.
as soon
It got hit very badly there.
It's Radio
This place,
Cayman.
Beach Club Colony.
89.1.
Got hit very badly. Extremely badly.
Hotel customers, engineers, again,
Just by the Hyatt, next door to the Hyatt. This is all gone.
We're going through
More
town,
are
we're
on
going
the way.
to Backline Park.
I don't care. I don't know where you're gonna go. Anyway, look at this.
To
All
Hotel
gone.
customers, engineers are
My
already on
goodness.
the island.
God
Are on
forbid,
the
God
way
forbid, it is
as they're
terrible,
working
horrible.
hard to get service
Horrible.
as
It's gonna take a
soon
long
as
time for Kima to
possible.
recover.
Now, after
Very long time.
Hurricane Ivan, this is a release from the National Hurricane Committee.
Look at the gas station. The Burger King is okay. My goodness. Whoa.
It's gone.
Total chaos by one. Ivan the Terrible. Ivan the Terrible.
drive Eastern Avenue, okay? Want to drive there? You don't.
Yeah, it doesn't matter to me. When you drive, just drive. I don't care. And here is Wendy's. Not, it didn't do badly in this plaza. I don't know if you lost anything, but here's Wendy's. They did very well.
That,
They did very well at Wendy's.
considering.
Right, except the power lines are down. And this gas station. This gas station is gone. At least some of it are gone. Look at that, totally damaged, wrecked, ripped up. Ripped up.
Getting any gas for now?
Not for that one, I don't know how many of them. My goodness, things have been changed for good, for bad.
Bad.
Oh, look at that, total devastation. Look across here. Well, they wanted to sell property a long time, so they're going to get some good insurance money. You know, look at Andy's out. Oh, look at the destruction.
Oh, as I said, the lady with the cooler, I remember her Sharon said she bring the cooler in.
Should have one at the church. But I don't have the key. Should have a couple at the church. Yes, sorry. Can you believe that this is Cayman? And my understanding is that this side of the island is the best looking. It's not pretty in Bottom Town and North Side and East End, which you're going to see in time, God willing. Not pretty in those areas at all.
For staff members and their families. For more information, you can call Mr. James Whitaker at 922
This is going to take a long time for us to recover. Very difficult situation to live with.
Can you imagine around here though? Because
They can't no access, they can't get out.
and around there it's always flooded.
Yes, that's true.
Just take a
Flood,
look
look
at
at
the
that.
rain. You see all the
Can't get
trees
out,
down
everything
there?
block them off.
It's always flooded.
Oh, this is the semi shop. I guess it's ripped up. Totally ripped up, ladies and gentlemen. Semi shop. Ripped up.
Fortis Fund Services would like all staff who can make it into work to meet at the Grand Pavilion office
This
on
is in
West
very
Bay
good,
Road
very well.
at 9 in the morning
Queen's
tomorrow,
Road.
Wednesday, September 15th, for assessment. That's an assessment meeting and not work now. That's an assessment meeting and staff evacuation plan. That's Fortis Bank, Fortis Fund Services would like all staff who can make it in to meet at the Grand Pavilion office on West Bay Road at 9 a.m. tomorrow, Wednesday, September 15th, for an assessment meeting and staff evacuation plan. You're listening to Radio Cayman.
All texts from Caribbean please call.
Oh, here's Home Bible Church. This is Kingston Home Bible Church, ladies and gentlemen. Can you believe it? Oh, total. Look at that. This is gone. This is O-U-T in capital letters. What about Kentucky? Can we get some Colonel? They haven't done too badly there.
Oh my
Colonel.
Lord.
Even all across. All across.
This is the one you see all.
Same sad story.
This didn't look too bad, didn't look too bad. I don't even know if I'm going the right way anymore.
Again, all civil aviation